Hello guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create calendar in Microsoft Excel. There are many ways to do so. I'm going to show you the easiest way with various features. Go to Tab menu, click on the file, go to New. There are different options for different purpose. Scroll down until you find the academic calendar. Mine is already here. Double click on it. Okay, as you can see, here is September 2024. This is an academic year, that's why it started from September. Okay, if you want, you can change the month here. Okay, usually started from August. Academic calendar, there are some notes. By default, I'm gonna delete it. Okay, it contains every month. With my academic calendar, for example, I'm gonna set every Thursday on September is a quiz. Okay, every September, every Thursday. Control C, Control V. Okay, or I want to set every Monday assignment. Again, Control C, Control V for every Monday. Okay, if you want to highlight these quizzes with the color, you can select the month that you want. Select the month that you want, or you can select all the months by clicking on Control A. Okay, go to Conditional Formatting. There are many options. Highlight cell rules. Come to the text. Okay, which text you want to highlight? I want quiz. I want my quiz with the dark green. Okay, all quizzes are highlighted with the dark green. About assignments, I'm going to do the same. Okay, again, conditional formatting, highlight cells, then text. I will write assignment. I'm gonna highlight with the dark yellow. Okay. You can add whatever you want to your calendar and highlight it and do some other features. Thanks for watching. I hope you this video to be helpful. If it was, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.